Let's learn how to make joint rounds. I'm working on the soil right now. So we're starting off with 4 single crochet. So 1, 4 single crochet in our magic ring. So let's just pull that tight. Now, normally in a continuous round, you would just go into this stitch and make your next single crochet, but for joint rounds we're going to yarn over, pull through and create a slip stitch, and then chain 1 at every start of the round. So now we're going to do our triple increase, which means 3 single crochet in 1. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now it can be confusing to see where you need to go into for your slip stitch, but this is your first single crochet and that's your first chain. If this is confusing for you, you can put a stitch marker in your first stitch. So we'll make a slip stitch now to end and chain 1. Then continue as normal and then just proceed. Now here's a tip. To create less obvious seams, you want to make a tight slip stitch. If you make a loose slip stitch, here's what happens. So I'll make a loose slip stitch here and chain 1. This horizontal line will become very obvious throughout your work. So what you want to do is, as much as possible, create a tight slip stitch over when you're joining, and create a tight chain when you're joining as well. So that line will be less obvious and it will blend into your stitches more.